Where are we going, guys?
Where are we going?
The chickens!
Oh
We're gonna get chickens!
We're going to get chickens?
I'm gonna hold one.
Are you a little excited?
Okay,
Oh,
guys,
all right,
we
now-
just got chickens.
We did just get chickens. Okay, but we're getting ready to pull out, so can you please sit back and put your seatbelt? So we have chickens in that box, 8 of them. We'll show you guys when we get home.
Yeah, they're so cute.
Let me see, Paige.
There's the little munchkins.
There they are. I don't think we can see them very well. All right, let's take
They're
them.
nowhere near the same color as they are now.
But we'll know when they get older. From the we'll slowly see the changes.
So does that mean they're all right in there?
Yeah.
They like
It
it.
seems like they're fine.
He's falling asleep. Or she's falling asleep. They're falling asleep together.
They're stressed.
What were we thinking?
Bobby, like, what is this
Look,
stuff?
those two are eating over
Bobby
there.
is weird.
Eating
Bobby-
what?
There's nothing to eat over there.
Bobby's like, what?
Are they
Wait,
trying
no,
to find
Bob.
worms?
Bob was pecking
Oh, man,
this.
staring at that light.
What Bob doing? If he a
Why
woodpecker,
would you stare at the light?
No, it's just looking in there.
what is wrong with Bob?
Something green.
What am pecking
Everything's
at?
green now.
What Bob and that up doing?
Hi guys, it's Rachel with Happy's Family. Oh my gosh, Dino, stop it. Carl and I did something crazy this week. we let the kids get chickens. So this is them. Our farm dog is afraid of them. And this little one is trying to eat them. So we have to be more worried about the little dog than we do the big dog. But Paige, do you want to tell everybody what we got?
We got Americanas. These two are Americanas. We got Golden Sex Links. And then we got Barred Rock right there.
Mm-hmm.
We got 8 bouncy.
So right now, we did not realize that when we decided to get chickens that they would be this young. They were 4 days old when we bought them. And they are now a little over a week.
No, they're 7 days exactly.
7 days exactly?
They're over a week. Yesterday they were 7 days. No.
Okay.
Chase is going to fall in the chicken box.
Yeah. So we have been keeping them in a brooder. In our front bathroom, which thank goodness is big. And they have a heat lamp. And we've been giving them electrolytes in their water. What else? There was another probiotics in their water. The first day we brought them home, we did give them a little bit of apple cider vinegar in their water. Dino,
Be quiet.
look, what is it, Mel?
I know. You're scaring the chick, Dino.
So does anybody want to tell what their names are?
This one's Peeps. This one is Nugget.
Dino.
This one is Hey.
So why don't you guys go ahead and tell their names again?
This is BBQ. She is a Americana.
This is Bob.
He is a Golden Sex Link.
She is a golden.
This one's Winter.
No, she.
She's an Americana. This is Pepper. She is a
Nice,
Barred
Mel.
Rock.
Nice, Mel.
This one's Peeps. She's also Americana.
This is the first time that Mello's come this
This one
close
is
to these
Nugget.
chickens.
This is Salt.
This one is Nugget.
Nugget is an Americana. Salt is a Golden Sex Link. Did you do Pepper already? No. Oh yeah. This is Hey Hey.
Did you do Winter?
She is an Americana. She's also the worst of them all.
Did you do Winter?
She's the naughty one. We think that she's gonna look.
She isn't
She
an Americana.
flies across the.
She
Mellow.
isn't an Americana.
She flies across the tub.
She's a Barred Rock.
The group. Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, we really want to say thank you for watching. You guys have even been watching our farming vlogs, which is awesome. We never expected you guys to do that. So we did want to do a little giveaway, right guys?
Yes.
Okay. So we got this seed tin organizer. And inside there
There's a
is,
chicken.
it comes, no, not a chicken. It comes with like different seed pouches and dividers and a bunch of different cards. But then we also added from our, we like to get seeds from local places. One is called Eden Brothers and the other one is So True Seed.
Okay, put them back in the box, buddy.
Yeah, be careful. So we're going to give away a thing of lettuce, Little Gem lettuce, also snow peas from So True Seed. We're also going to give away Blue Lake green beans and Burpee stringless green beans. So green beans and snow peas and lettuce are extremely easy to grow. So even if you want to grow them in containers, you can do that. So what are we going to do? I guess comment below and let us know that you're a subscriber and like this video. And then we will randomly pick somebody on our next farm vlog to send this little gift to say thank you.
It's biting my pee.
Right, guys? Do you want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching Happy's Family.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to try to be happy. Look at Mello. Do you like her? Are you going to protect her?
You're gonna put it to protect her.
Oh.
Gentle.
That is the first time he actually is like sniffing them. And
Jared, stop.
Gentle.
Jared, stop. I'm so scared.
Jared. Ow.